Are mortgage rates at an all-time low, or are they rising? Let's find out in today's episode. Hi, my name is Angie Haig with Cornerstone Home Lending, and today I'm sharing a little bit about how mortgage rates look as we head into the busy season. In 2020, the real estate industry was blessed with some of the lowest interest rates we've ever seen. It helped tons of home buyers score a rock bottom rate and buy more home for less. But will 2021 be just as good, or are buyers about to feel the heat? Let's find out. Rates are rising. The rumors are true. Rates are increasing. Those low 2020 rates were nice while they lasted, but we've already seen some upward movement as we head into the busy season. The good news is that rates are slowly rising. Yes, we're gonna see some upward movement this year, but experts aren't predicting a dramatic rate spike. As of right now, there's no need to panic. A lot of potential buyers play the waiting game and hold off on buying a home until rates start to decrease again. Unfortunately, the low rates that you saw in 2020 probably won't be coming back. So making a move now might score you a lower rate than if you were to hold off. Rates are only going to rise, and playing that waiting game could hurt you in the end. The only way to know for sure what rate you'll get is to talk to a lender like me. You can click the link below to fill out a free pre-qualification form and take the first steps to getting a personalized rate quote. If you're looking into buying a home this year and want to discover your options, let's chat. I would love to sit down, walk you through the process, and help you find a loan program that best works for you and your family. Feel free to shoot me a message or email me at haigteam@houseloan.com. I look forward to chatting with you. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.